So I've created all the element templates for the manholes as well. And one thing that I've noticed is that I'm using special characters, and this is really not recommended. So this, ideally you would like to have this in mind before you create the element templates, but if you've already created your element templates, I want to show you the process of removing those special characters in bulk. Alright, so we're going to be doing this inside of the Explorer. I'm going to go into my OpenRoads Explorer, and then under the File section, I'll go under Element Templates. And I'm going to expand all the folders I want to make changes to, and then just do a bulk selection of those. Now I'm not selecting any of my folders, so I'm deselecting the folders and only including the element templates. And with my Properties dialog closed, I'm going to right-click and then open up my Details panel. So here I can do a quick find and replace to change those names out. Now when you do this, you're going to want to have the selected cells only. And I'm going to select this column. And the first thing I'm going to change is I'm going to get rid of that / after the W. So instead of W /, we're just going to have a W. And I'm going to replace all of those. Right, now, and is not a symbol it's going to recognize, so what I'm going to do is use this little arrow over here and put in a / and symbol, and then that will change that for me. So I'm just going to replace that with nothing. And then lastly, I'm going to get rid of the parentheses and also the foot symbol. Right, so that's going to rename all of the element templates and remove those special characters. Right, I went ahead and created all of the cross-section element templates as well as all of the existing element templates. Now for these, where I did ranges, I just chose the most common size for that range. And then where I have different sizes available, I chose the most common size for that type of inlet or manhole. And then I picked the corresponding 3D top or 3D bottom to match that. Now when we handle the outfalls, I'm going to be creating a copy of all of my head walls in here. And then I'm going to use find and replace to rename HWall to out for all of these element templates. And now I'll go into each folder and I'm going to do a bulk selection, and I'll change the level to pdrain out. And then that'll be all the element templates that I'll need for my node feature definitions. And then as I continue, I might find that I need to add additional feature definitions, and if so, I'll need to revisit my element template folder structure and add those element templates in as they're needed.